Om Shri Sai Ram. Previous class we have discussed about multiplying a monomial by a polynomial. Let's we solve some problems related to multiplying a monomial by a trinomial. What is monomial? Monomial means an expression which contains single term. Then trinomial means expression which contains three terms is a trinomial and monomial. One example, multiply 3p into 4p squared plus 5p plus 7. Look at the example, multiply 3p and 4p squared plus 5p plus 7. 3p is a monomial because it is an expression, it contains only one term. 3p is a single term, so 3p is a monomial. 4p squared plus 5p plus 7 is a trinomial. Why it is trinomial? Because three terms, 4p squared is the first term, 5p second term, 7 is the third term. So this is a trinomial. Now multiplying a monomial by a trinomial. How to? What is the procedure to multiplying this monomial to trinomial? It's a very simple one. Just look at this. This is a monomial. This monomial into every term in the trinomial. Multiply this monomial. This monomial means single term. Single term into every term present in the trinomial. That is 3p into 4p squared. Then this 3p is multiplied to 5p. Then after this 3p is multiplied to 7. Now write down. How it is? 3p into 4p squared. After that there is a sign plus. So plus. Now this 3p into 5p. 3p into means 3p multiplied to 5p. Then there is a sign plus. So plus. Now this 3p into 7. So 3p into 7. This is the first, second and third. Multiply. First multiply the numbers. 3 into 4. 3 4s are 12. 3 into 4. So 12. Now p into p squared. One thing, we know the one rule. A to the power m into a to the power n equal to a to the power m plus n. This is very important. What is a to the power m into a to the power n equal to a to the power m plus n? What it indicates? A to the power m. Here it is p to the power 1, p square, p to the power 2. If we multiply two powers, the power, we must add that powers. That is m plus n. So m into n, so a to the power m into a to the power n becomes a to the power m plus n. Now tell me, p to the power 1 and p to the power 2. 1 plus 2 is p to the power 3. We can directly write p to the power 1, p to the power 1 into p squared, 2 plus 1, that is 3. So 12 p cube plus 3 into 5, 3 5s are 15, so 15. Now it is p to the power 1 and p to the power 1. 1 plus 1, 2, so p squared plus 3 into 7, 21. 3 into 7, 21. 21 into p is 21p. So what is the product of 3p into 4p squared plus 5p plus 7? The product is 12p cube plus 15p squared plus 21p. This is the answer. Example, simplify the expression and evaluate them as directed. What they are directed, how they are directed, you have to evaluate. First question is x into x minus 3 plus 2 for x equal to 1. Now simplify the expression. First simplify them. After that evaluate them as directed. X into x minus 3 plus 2. How to evaluate? How to simplify this expression? X into x minus 3. This is a monomial. This one is binomial. So multiply monomial into binomial. X into x minus 3. So multiply x into x. So x into x, then minus, inside this, in between x and 3 there is a minus sign. So minus, then this x into 3. x into 3. So x into 3, then plus 2. Once again, x into x, then minus. This x into 3. So x into 3 plus 2, right as it is. After that, x into x, it becomes x squared. Because x to the power 1, x to the power 1. 1 plus 1, 2. So x to the power 2. Minus 3 into x. 3 is a constant, x is a variable. So 3 into x is 3x plus 2. Then plus 2. Now, what they given? The value of x equal to 1. They given. The value of x is 1. Now substitute the value of x in this expression. What is the value of x? 1. So instead of x, you have to write the value of x, that is 1. X squared means, write 1 squared. Why it is 1 squared? What is the reason? Because x equal to 1. The value of x is 1. So replace 1 to that x. So 1 squared minus 3 into x. 3 into x. What is the value of x? X equal to 1. So 1 plus 2. 1 squared. 1 into 1. 1 into 1 is 1. So 1 minus 3 into 1. 3 plus 2. Now 2 plus 1 is 3 and minus 3 equal to 0. So what is the value? It is 0. Next example, 3y into 2y minus 7 minus 3. Y minus 4 minus 63 for y equal to. First simplify the expression. How to simplify? 3y into 2y minus 7. So multiply this 3y into 2y minus 7. What do you get? 3y into 2y. So 3y into 2y. First multiply this 3y into 2y. After that is the minus sign. So minus. Then this 3y into 7. So 3y into 7. Then minus 3 into y minus 3y, or we can write minus 3 into y. After that minus 3 into minus 4. So minus 3 into minus 4. Minus 3 into minus 4. Minus 63. Minus 63. Then 3 into 2 is 6. Y into y. Y into y. Y to the power 1 and y to the power 1. So you have to a to the power m into a to the power n equal to a to the power m plus n. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So y squared. 6y squared. Y to the power 1 into y to the power 1 equal to y squared. Minus 3 into 7. 7 into 3. We know that. 21. Then y. Now minus into minus. When we multiply like signs, the product which gets positive sign. So minus into minus becomes plus. 3 into 3 we get 9. 3 into 3, 9. 9 into y we get 9y. Or another method, simple method, before that just look at this. Minus 3 into y, what do you get? Minus 3y. Minus 3 into y, minus 3y. Enough. Then after, minus 3 into 4. 3 into 4, 12. Minus minus. If you multiply minus into minus, like signs, the product which gets positive. So, plus 3 into 4 is 12. Then minus 63. Just look at this. This is the simple one. Minus 3 into y, minus 3y. 3 into 4, 12. Minus minus it becomes plus. Then minus 63. As right, minus 63 as it is. Then, what is the value of y? They given y equal to minus 2. In the question it is given y equal to minus 2. What is the value of y? Y equal to minus 2. Now substitute the value y. 6y squared. 6 into y squared means y. What is the value of y? Minus 2. So instead of y write minus 2. Minus 2 squared minus 21 into y. What is the value of y? Minus 2. So minus 2. Then minus 3 into y. What is the value of y? So it is minus 2 plus 12 minus 63. Minus 2 whole squared. Minus 2 whole squared means minus 2 into minus 2. What do you get? Minus 2 squared means minus 2 into minus 2. 2 2s are 4 but minus is multiplied to minus, it becomes plus. So 4, 6 into 4, 6 into plus 4, minus minus. So product gets positive sign, so plus 4. Now 21 into 2, 42. But minus is multiplied to minus, it becomes plus. So plus 42. Then minus into minus, it becomes plus. 3 2s are, that is 6. Plus 12 minus 63. 6 into 4 is 24 plus 42 plus 6 plus 12 minus 63. Now add them. 24 plus 42 plus 6, then 12. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 6, 12. 12 plus 2, 14. So 14. 1, 3, 7, 8. 84 minus 63. Just check it. Check that one. 4 plus 2, 6. 12, 14. So 4. 1 is left. 3, 7, 8. So 84 minus 63. If we minus 4 minus 3, 1. Then 8 minus 6 is 2. What is the answer? 21 is the answer for this question. Yes. Next example, example 6. Add 5m into 3 minus m and 6m squared minus 30m. This is a different one. But we know that. How to add these? First simplify them. Simplify. After add these two expressions. How to simplify? 5m into 3 minus m. We can multiply 5m into 3 minus m. How to multiply? 5m into 3. First multiply 5m into 3. Then this 5m into minus m. What do you get? 5m into 3 equal to, can I write directly? 5 into 3 it is 15. Then 15 into m is 15m. Minus, because minus sign, 5m into m. 5m, m to the power 1, m to the power 1. It is m squared, 5m squared. Just check that. 5m into 3, 3 into 5, 15. 15 into m, 15m. Minus 5 into 1, m means 1m. So 5 into 1, 5. m into m, m squared. And 6m squared minus 13m. Now it becomes simplified. It is now simplified. After that, add these two. Add 15m minus 5m squared and 6m squared minus 13m. Add these two expressions, the first expressions and second expression. Add these two. So how to write? 15m minus 5m squared. Instead of add means addition, plus 6m squared minus 13m. Write the like terms together. 15m, like terms means the number which contains same variable. 15m and minus 13m, because m. Just look at this. m, the variable is same and exponent also same. So write the like terms together. Then minus 5m squared plus 6m squared, because m squared. So write it together or group these. 15m minus 13m. You have 15 pence and 13 pence. Sorry, you have 15 pence. You have to subtract 13 pence from that 15 pence. What we get? 15 minus 13 is 12. 15 minus 13 is 2. It's not 12, 2. 2m. Why it is m? m minus m, it's not 0. Because pencil, 2 pencils subtracted from 1 pencil, what do we get? Or 1 pencil is subtracted from 2 pencil, what do we get? 1 pencil we get. So m minus m, it is a m. 15m minus 13m is 2m. It's not only 2. Then minus 5m squared plus 6. Minus 5 and plus 6. 6 minus 5 we get plus 1 or m squared, or we can write m squared plus 2m. m squared, 1m squared, we can write it as m squared. 1m squared and m squared both are same. Write the highest power first, then the lowest power. So m squared plus 2m is the answer for this question. Next problem, next example. add 4y into 3y squared plus 5y minus 7 and 2y cube minus 4y squared plus 5. First simplify this. Evaluate 4y into 3y squared plus 5y minus 7. This is a trinomial, this is a binomial. Multiply this monomial, 4y is a monomial. This monomial into trinomial. What do we get? First it is 4y into 3y squared plus this is 4y into 3y squared, then this 4y into 5y, 4y into 5y minus 4y into 7, 4y into 7, then write and as it is, and 2 into y cube, it is 2y cube minus 2 into 4y square plus 2 into 5, because it is also a monomial. So 2 into y cube, 2y cube, 2 into minus 4y square or minus 2 into 4y square, 2 into plus 5. Now multiply. 4 into 3 is 12. Y into y squared is y cube plus 4 into 5 is 20. Y into y squared minus 7 into 4 is 28 y, and instead of and we can write plus. Why? Because you have to add these two expressions, so plus 2y cube minus 2 into 4 is 8y square plus 2 into 5 is 10. Now 12y cube plus 2y cube, write together 12y cube plus 2y cube, then 20y square and minus 8y square, minus 8y square minus 28y plus 10. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is correct. Now 12y cube plus 2y cube. 12 plus 2 we get 14. So 12 plus 2, 14y cube plus 20 minus 8 we get 12y square minus 28y plus 10. Let's look at the step. 12 plus 2, 14y cube. 20 minus 8, 12y square minus 28 plus 10. Subtract 3pq into p minus q from 2pq into p plus q. So subtract this from this one. You have to write 2pq into p plus q first minus 3pq into p minus q. Just look at this, be careful. Subtract 3pq into p minus q from 2pq into p plus q. This from this. So you have to write 2pq p plus q first, then write this one. But you have to simplify the expression. 2pq into p. 2pq into p plus, now 2pq is multiplied to p. After that this 2pq once again multiplied to q. So 2pq into q. Then minus, this is a monomial, this is binomial. Multiply this monomial to each term. We get 3pq into p. 3pq into p minus this 3pq. But be careful. Now minus into plus, so it is minus. Now minus into minus becomes plus. So this is plus. Why? Minus into minus, it becomes plus. So 3pq into q. Now 2pq into p, what do we get? P into p is p squared, so q plus 2p q into q squared minus 3p p into p becomes p squared q plus 3p q into q becomes q squared. So 2p squared q plus 2pq squared minus 3p squared q plus 3pq squared. Now 2p squared q minus 3p squared q, we get minus p squared q. Why? Because plus 2 and minus 3. 2pq squared and 3pq squared becomes plus 5pq squared. So minus p squared q plus 5pq squared is the answer. So minus p squared q plus 5pq squared. Now open your textbook, page number 98. One exercise is given, exercise 6.3. First main, second main, third main, fourth main, fifth main. These are homework. You can solve these problems with the help of the examples. Then next class we will discuss multiplying a polynomial by a polynomial. Sai Ram.